Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I have some exciting news that I would like to share with you guys. I'm so excited about this. This is something that I have been holding inside for about 2 weeks now. So I finally am able to reveal it. But first, I need you guys to do me one favor and one small teensy favor. I need for you to subscribe. Go down below, click the subscribe button as well as the red bell that is beside it so that you'll be notified each and every time that I have a new video. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you go on and, browse around a little bit, sis. See what you like. See, I'm fun over here. I got a little personality or whatever. But okay, all that aside. But seriously, I need for you guys to subscribe for me and hit the little red bell. The news that I am going to share with you guys has been something that I've had to keep to myself for the past couple of weeks now, and now I can finally share it, and I'm beyond excited. If you follow me on Instagram, Curly Quante, of course, then you know that I have been repping this product since last November, actually. I purchased the products here in Dallas at the Bella Kings Expo, and ever since the first time I've tried it, absolutely hooked. So this was a no-brainer for me. So when this brand decided to post that they were looking for brand ambassadors, of course I had to fill out an application, and your girl got chosen. Your girl got chosen to be a brand ambassador, and today I got my welcome kit here in the mail. I have not opened it. I do not know what's in the box, and I am just excited and just really excited to share this with y'all. So let's see. I'm not gonna make this long at all, but let's see what we got here. You guessed it, it's none other than Baskin Bloom. And then the card says, "Congrats again, Talikia," which is my government name. "Glad to have you on the Baskin Bloom team. Love, Candera." I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Candera. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have in this box. So in the box, I have the Nourishing Amazon Body Butter. I've never used this one. I'm excited for that. Look how thick it is. Okay. We have the Brahmi Root Deep Conditioner. Absolutely one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites, I have the shampoo bar, the stimulating herbal oil, and the twirly hair gel. I've not tried this either. So there are 2 products in this box that I have not tried, and I am excited about this. This bottle is very light. So I'm excited to see how these 2 work on my hair in conjunction with everything else that I have on Baskin. So that's my box, and you guys can be expecting more product reviews from this brand for me, more demos on each of the products. Also, I will have a discount code. My discount code is, your girl got a code. Your girl got a code. Your girl got a code. CurlyQ20 for 20% off. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, as well as your girl got. Thank you so much. I got a code. I got a code. I got a code. I got a code. got a code. Look, I got goodies in the